Welcome to the Califia Simulator 3D ICU environment. Our patient will start VA ECMO support shortly. Let's approach the hemisphere monitoring device. Power up the unit. It's currently configured to monitor oxygen saturation. Device is ready. Let's apply near-infrared oximetry sensors to the patient's forehead. The sensor on the right side measures oxygen saturation in the cerebral right hemisphere, while the left side sensor monitors the left cerebral hemisphere. Notice O2 sats are very low on both hemispheres. There is no difference between the two readings since the entire brain is fully perfused by the native heart. Let's approach the ventilator and improve oxygen delivery. FiO2 is selected, then the knob turned to 100% oxygen concentration. The knob is pushed to confirm the new value. Returning to the hemisphere and waiting a few seconds, we'll notice O2 sats start gradually increasing. It's time to initiate ECMO. The patient is cannulated for VA ECMO using the femoral artery and femoral vein. The first step is to approach the gas blender and set the gas sweep to about 1.5 liters per minute and FiO2 of 60%. Let's approach the CardioHelp pump panel. Notice the clamp on the delivery line. Time to increase RPM in order to produce enough pressure for forward flow once the clamp is removed. Pressure is building up, so it's time to remove the clamp. Observe the blood flow animation. Darker blood is drained from the patient's right femoral vein. It turns brighter red as it passes through the quadroxoxygenator. Finally, it's delivered to the patient's left femoral artery. Inlet pressure, labeled P-VAN, is dropping while arterial line pressure is approaching 70 mm of mercury. Let's take a look at the cerebral oximetry sensor readings. Notice O2 sats have increased considerably. The Terumo CDI 550 inline blood gas analyzer is being used to monitor pre- and post-oxygenator blood gases. Currently this patient is partially on VA ECMO, so let's approach the ventilator and lower the peak inspiratory pressure. O2 sats can be displayed in the hemisphere in trend mode. Press the gear button first, followed by the trends button. To display values using the brain visual, press the gear button again, then the brain display button. Thank you for watching this demonstration of VA ECMO using the Califia Simulator 3D ICU environment.